Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we're going to discuss if it is possible to log into your Supercell ID without using your email. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up any of your Supercell game and then proceed to the Supercell ID from the main menu. Now from this page, you will see an option called Account Protection. If you tap on the Activate button at the right side, you will be given some store codes which you will need to use anytime you wish to access your account. Make sure you copy this code and store it in a safe place and click on the checkbox. Then tap on the Continue button and now you will be asked to add a phone number to use as a verification method. Just choose your country code and enter your phone number and tap on the Submit button, which will send you a verification code to your phone. Just check your SMS and enter this code within the next screen. And once your code has been verified, your phone will also be added as your login method. Once this process is completed, when you log out from your account on your Supercell ID, then in order to log back in, you will simply need to use your saved account. And if the saved account is not present, then you can simply log in using your phone number instead of your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Supercell account without using your email address. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.